Did you talk to Rick then? Next hair color. Are you performing in roadies? Secret behind your boldness. Are you bisexual? झूठ, बिल्कुल झूठ. Hi YouTube, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This is Ameha and today we're going to be doing a Q&A video. So I know बहुत टाइम हो गया मैंने कुछ पोस्ट नहीं किया है and but I thought like it's high time I am back on my YouTube क्योंकि a lot of people have been asking me about my channel कि इतना dead क्यों है हमें channel be more active on YouTube बहुत बार बोला है लोगों ने. So I thought like it's high time I have to be active here. So here I am back on YouTube and I'm sure आप लोगों का बहुत सारा questions है regarding my गायबनेस. What was the word गायबनेस? Anyway, आप लोगों को बहुत क्वेश्चंस है जो मेरे पास है. मैंने कुछ दिन पहले इंस्टाग्राम में मैंने पूछा था लोगों को पूछने के लिए to ask me about questions about myself or anything that's going on in my life. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be reading the questions that you guys sent me and I'll be answering them as well. So let's go guys. Q&A time. Yay! Whole bunch of questions and मैंने एक बार पढ़ा questions, एक दो questions and a lot of questions are very repetitive, so I'm gonna be skipping some. Okay, let's start from top to bottom. ठीक है? If someone writes something vulgar, then only you respond to them or what? Reply me. What? Because थोड़ा time लगेगा question समझने में. If someone writes something vulgar, then only you respond to them or what? Reply me on DMs. ये क्या तरीका हुआ भाई? When did you see me replying to vulgar comments, bro? The fuck? I was reading like कुछ अच्छा question होगा या फिर कुछ. You're funny, bro. How to get selected in Splitsvilla? So मेरा सिलेक्शन ऐसा हुआ था जब I was pretty much before Splitsvilla also. I was active on my Instagram. I had like few 10-15k followers and and then I got recognized by this production house. So they asked me if there is some reality show going on and then do you want to auditions for it. It was not Splitsvilla, it was something else before. मतलब कुछ और शो के लिए था बट देन वो शो कैंसिल हो गया और कुछ हुआ नहीं उस शो का. तो उसके बाद देन दे सेड लाइक कुछ देयर इज़ अ डिफरेंट शो एज वेल स्प्लिट्सविला, आर यू इंटरेस्टेड? देन येस आई सेड ऑफ कोर्स येस. तो मैंने पहले ऑडिशन वीडियो वगैरह बना के भेजा. देन दे लाइक माई प्रोफाइल, दे सेलेक्टेड मी फॉर दिस जूम मीटिंग वगैरह हुआ. सेम क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड मी अबाउट बिकॉज इट वॉज स्प्लिट्सविला ना, तो आस्क्ड मी अबाउट माई लव लाइफ एंड दिस ऑल दैट. Then I got selected for that and then उसके बाद they called me to Mumbai में PI हुआ personal interview with a lot of people which happens off camera of course. And then after that selection हो गया. 2 महीने वेट किया, ठीक है. 2 महीने बाद they called me and they were like yes you got selected. बिल्कुल बिलीव ही नहीं हुआ था पहले कि अच्छा मेरे को लगा मुंबई जाके मैंने ऑडिशन दे दिया, अभी कॉल ही नहीं आ रहा है. बट देन इवेंचुअली आई डिड गेट अ कॉल एंड लकीली आई डिड गेट सेलेक्टेड. So that's how I got into Splitsvilla. So you can also get in touch with production houses or something. And if you have Instagram already, to try to improve your Instagram profile, that's how they will recognize you as well. What do you do for earning? For now, to abhi I am a full-time content creator. So that's how I've been making my living. Profession, long-term goals. For now, to abhi I am thoda stuck up being a content creator, but I do have goals in life as well, but execute नहीं कर पा रही हूँ उस plan को. That's the only thing. But I do have long term goals and it does not include being on TV or being influencer. But yeah, I don't wanna jinx it. Are you performing in roadies in coming season? बहुत सारा questions इसी के regarding है. Question कि are you coming to roadies Ameha? Will we see you in roadies? And the answer to the question is definitely not. You will not be seeing me in roadies क्योंकि मेरा सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ. तो गाइज सम ऑफ यू गाइज माइट नो और नॉट नो, मैं ऑडिशन के लिए गई तो थी. सो रोडीज़ का ऑडिशन स्प्लिट्सविला के ऑडिशन से डिफरेंट होता है. इट्स बेसिकली एन ओपन ऑडिशन जो हुआ था दिल्ली, चंडीगढ़, हैदराबाद, पुणे वगैरह पे. एंड देन मैं दिल्ली के ऑडिशन पे गई थी. बहुत लोगों से मिला भी था वहाँ पे एंड बहुत अच्छा लगा था. लॉट ऑफ पीपल रिकॉग्नाइज मी फ्रॉम स्प्लिट्सविला. अच्छा लगा था. एंड देन एवरीवन वाज लाइक, ओह आप लोग भी आ गए, आपका तो सिलेक्शन पक्का है बोल के. That's what they were saying. But मैं भी लगी थी लाइन में सुबह से क्या झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे, मैं भी लाइन में लगी थी 10 बजे से. ऑडिशन के टाइम में बहुत भीड़ था. And I did wait around like everyone else. I did give my audition as anyone would give. मेरा सिलेक्शन हो गया था GD1 एंड देन नेक्स्ट डे GD2 के लिए जाना था. GD2 में आई थिंक आई फक्ड अप अ बिट. आई गॉट अ लिटिल नर्वस. आई डोंट वांट टू गो स्पेसिफिक्स में क्या हुआ था, but I got a little nervous and then I think I fucked it up, or maybe they did not wanted me. तो मेरा सिलेक्शन GD2 में नहीं हुआ है दिल्ली में. देन आई स्टिल डिड नॉट गिव अप. मेरे को लगा कि है आई हैव द पोटेंशियल टू बी अ रोडी, तो आई विल गिव इट अ ट्राई. मे बी दे वांट टू सी that jazba in me. So I did go to the next city for the audition, Hyderabad, and Hyderabad में भी नहीं हुआ मेरा selection. And after that going to another city for giving audition would just mean like more embarrassment, and I did not wanted to embarrass myself further. तो उसके बाद मैं नहीं गई. So it was kind of sad that I did not get selected for roadies. I'm still sad. I was sad for like days. I was depressed क्योंकि एक होप था कि मैं रोडीज़ में सेलेक्ट हो जाऊंगी. बहुत लोग ने मेरे को बोला, इवन स्प्लिट्सविला के टाइम पे, ठीक है, लोग अमिया इज़ अ रोडी मटेरियल, अमिया इज़ अ रोडी मटेरियल, शी कैन डेफिनेटली गो टू रोडीज़. पीपल स्टार्टेड सेइंग दैट. तो मेरे को थोड़ा मिल गया, होप मिल गया. ठीक है, आई एम 25 ब्रो. आई फील लाइक आई कांट बी चेसिंग स्टूपिड ड्रीम्स. So I will not be doing that. So मैं सॉरी भी बोलना चाहूँगा कुछ लोगों को क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि बहुत लोगों को डिसपॉइंट किया है मैंने, क्योंकि मैं नहीं स्टैंड अप कर पाई फॉर टू बी ऑन द शो. लाइक मेरे को लगता है कि मेरे पास है, आई डू हैव द क्वालिटीज़ टू बी अ रोडी. आई थिंक आई हैव अ प्रिटी फेस. आई थिंक आई एम प्रिटी स्ट्रॉन्ग, आई एम प्रिटी मस्कुलर, आई एम प्रिटी गुड इन डूइंग टास्क एंड आई डू रिमेन काम, एंड विच इज़ ऑल्सो थोड़ा ड्रॉबैक क्योंकि आई एम calm and I am not as much problematic. So I think it was the same production house जो स्प्लिट्सविला किया था. So maybe they kind of saw it as well कि Ameha does not have the qualities to be a roadie because she's not problematic and she does not create drama and all that. So maybe because of that as well. I mean, that's my point of view. So that's how I feel about that situation. Next question. Secret behind your boldness. You guys think I'm bold? What do you do to calm your mind so that you can focus again on what you were doing? It's so difficult to calm your freaking mind because you're asking the wrong person this question. I'm very calm usually, but then when मेरा थोड़ा चढ़ जाता है, मेरे दिमाग में कुछ आ जाता है, then I'm very stuck up and then calm होना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. But I have learned कि the best thing you can do is just take inhale, exhale as much as you can until your mind is thoda cleared. That's what I've learned to do. Are you going in roadies? No, I'm not. Are you bisexual? Am I? Are you dieting? You have lost your weight. I know, right? I look very right now, but I look not there, but like I have lost some weight. It's mainly because I do go to the gym regularly. मैं gym भी जाती हूँ regularly. थोड़ा ढेर हो गया है. मैं जिम रेगुलरली जाती हूँ. द ओनली प्रॉब्लम विथ मी इज़ मैं डाइट मेंटेन नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट एबल टू ईट माई प्रॉपर डाइट, क्योंकि इफ़ यू आर लिफ्टिंग वेट्स, बहुत हैवी लिफ्ट कर रही हो, यू आर लाइक बर्निंग कैलोरीज एज वेल, राइट, एट द सेम टाइम. एंड you when you're lifting weights, you need enough protein to make you look थोड़ा bulky and muscular. But at the same time मेरा carbs भी मैं पूरा नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, मैं proteins भी पूरा नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, मैं fiber भी नहीं पूरा कर पा रही हूँ अपना जो daily intake में होना चाहिए. So that is why I'm losing थोड़ा weight. And another thing is I also have hypothyroidism. थोड़ा it's like very माइल्ड लेवल पे, थोड़ा नॉर्मल लेवल पे है. बट आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो आई हैव लॉस्ट सम वेट. हाइपोथायरॉयडिज्म मेक्स यू लूज वेट. सो जिम में जाती हूँ, खाती भी हूँ, बट देन नॉट इनफ. तो इट्स ऑल टुगेदर इट्स अफेक्टिंग माई वेट. आई एम ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम ट्राइंग टू गेन वेट, बट थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा है. हाउ आर यू? टेल अबाउट योर होम टाउन बेस्ट अट्रैक्शंस अदर दैन यू. So my hometown where I was raised was in Darjeeling, but I also stay in Siliguri, both Siliguri and Darjeeling. So Darjeeling my best place would be a lot of people will say this, Chaurasta, Mall Road. I just love walking around the Mall Road. Now it's like very crowded, but then earlier, like when you had nothing to do, just take 1 round, 2 rounds around the Mall Road, or just chill silently like a bench laker, and then just judge the people passing by, tease the people passing by. Guys would do that, not girls, and girls would be like कल की किसी करके चले जाते थे. So that's one. And Tiger Hill, that's a pretty chill place. I'm walking around, just anywhere in Darjeeling, it's pretty chill. Are you planning to come on any reality show? Honestly ना, I don't feel like मैं ऐसे reality TV material हूँ. I think like I do have good personality and all that, but then मैं थोड़ा मार खा जाती हूँ when it comes to showing it on TV, क्योंकि वो थोड़ा मेरे को, अगर ऐसे Big Boss जैसा सीन हो गया तो वो तो naturally निकल जाता है ना. But then if it's being on Splitsvilla and all that, the cameras are only there for like 1-2 hours, and then around those 1-2 घंटे you have to निकालना पड़ता है. जितना भी तुम्हारा आउटबर्स्ट है, कुछ भी है, निकालना पड़ता है. मैं नहीं कर पाती भाई. मेरे को नेचुरली जब निकलता है तब निकलता है. अगर थोड़ी ना वेट करती रहूँगी कैमरा कब आएगा तब निकालूंगी बोल के, तो आई couldn't do that. So that's a drawback for me. You guys know what I mean. If you guys don't know, still confused, then if you guys know what I mean. आप मेरे फेवरेट थी स्प्लिट्सविला में. झूठ, बिल्कुल झूठ. आई फील लाइक अब आपका अच्छा कनेक्शन बनना चाहिए था. हाँ वो सही है, आप विनर होते, ये तो पक्का पता नहीं. बट हाँ, जब when people tell me कि like आप मेरे फेवरेट स्प्लिट्सविलन थे, तो मेरा होता है कि झूठ ऐसे, क्योंकि आई डू फील लाइक हाँ आई वॉज गुड, बट देन रियलिटी TV show के standard से I don't think so I was that great. I mean yeah, I was different than some of the girls. I'm still different than some of the girls, but I don't feel like as per the standard I was good enough. And then when people say like you were so good, you were my favorite, I was like bullshit. But still I appreciate it because अच्छा तो लगता है, but then I still can't believe it कि like आप मेरे favorite थे out of all the 32 people. Okay, 32 people that were on the show, favorite. But still thank you so much. मजाक करी वैसे. Are you into drugs lately? You lost a lot of weight. Yes, I'm into drugs. Everything. Heroin, cocaine. क्या होता है और? I don't do drugs, guys. What's the most unexpected thing you've learned about yourself this year? You know what? मेरे को बचपन से लगता था कि I'm gonna be so good, like if I get a chance to be in a reality show and all that. So I learned that I'm not. I mean, I thought like I would outshine a lot of people, but I did not. So I learned that about myself, that I don't have the ability to outshine everyone. So that's what I learned about myself, that I'm not a reality TV show person. क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है like right now I'm in front of the camera, I'm talking nicely properly, right? तो मेरे को लगता था of course I'll be able to speak like this as well in front of TV जब TV में आऊँगी. तो मेरे से नहीं हो रहा था, मैं हो भी रहा था तो नहीं दिख रहा था. जब मैं स्प्लिट्स विला हो रहे थे तो मैं जब TV में देखा, मेरे को देखा, I was like, what are you doing, Ameya? You look stupid. So that was kind of unexpected. Which stream you took in 11? I mean, science? No. I took humanities. I was a humanities student. No shame in the humanities game. I mean, it doesn't even matter. Like, to be honest, I was always interested in humanities. I like politics. I like history. I like geography. True or false? Is shampoo really good for face acne? You know what? It's the best. I mean, if you're a guy, it's the best. Even if another suggestion, if you're a guy, you can also try putting bartan dhone wala sabun on your face, and your face would be glowing. Whereas girls, they'll try to put their 3000, 4000 wala products on their face and then still have acne, pimple and all that. I mean, you can't see it properly, but I have some acne and skin problems, of course, because I'm a girl. And then girls are cursed to have acne, skin problems all the time. Where did you find Jinx? Oh, Jinxie. Where's my Jinxie? She's sleeping. I love disturbing when she's sleeping, and she does the same when I'm sleeping. So this is Jinx. She's such a cutie. Hi, Jinxie. So this is Jinx. Jinx is my twin. I mean, don't we look alike? Meow, 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 meow. She's like, bitch, why did you wake me? I was sleeping so properly. So Jinx is my baby, and I did not find Jinx somewhere on the road like you guys like how you're asking me. So मेरा एक दोस्त का बिल्ला था Jinx before I got her, and he did not wanted to keep Jinx anymore क्योंकि he wanted to get a bigger dog. So he suggested me, do you want to keep the cat? I was like, yeah. But then he also wanted to buy a dog, so that's why I paid half the money for Jinx. Although I would suggest he always adopt, don't shop. But yeah, I did not like directly buy Jinx, but I did pay some money for her. She's such a cutie. She just sleeps all the time. Come, baby, sleep. Okay, next question. How you're so pretty and fit. Thank you so much. Muscles. अभी नहीं. अभी I have sleeper build by the way. Okay. अभी नहीं दिखेगा. थोड़ा अच्छा कुछ lighting पे दिखेगा. You live in Siliguri now? No. Are you watching Bigg Boss? Thoughts about it? Like I said, no thoughts about it. Just hate the way Bigg Boss is. इतना biasness दिखाते हैं. Not only on Karanveer, जैसे मैंने अभी बताया, दिग्विजय पे. It's really not tolerable, you know. Like Bigg Boss just lets go of all the other things that the Chugli gang does. जैसे ये Alice ने जब बोला था कि मैं murder कर दूँगी ये करणवीर को, I want to murder him and all that. Literally on camera एक भी बार नहीं बोला. I think बोला था, but I don't know, नहीं बोला था, ऐसे directly नहीं बोला था. But then it's a big issue talking about committing a murder. But then no, he does not talk about it. Talks about करणवीर तो कोने में रहता है, खाता रहता है and all that, which kind of bugs me. मेरे को बहुत irritation हुआ बहुत time के लिए, and अभी मैंने छोड़ दिया है Bigg Boss देखना. It's been a week, I haven't watched it, but still I do get updated. ऐसे Instagram वगैरह में देख लेती हूँ. But yeah, I hope कि दिग्विजय जीत जाए, दिग्विजय या करणवीर या हाँ just चुम. Okay. Favorite cat breed? Only Jinx. Look at how calm and peaceful she is right now. Girl, Delhi is weird. I came back, nearly got murdered. LMFAO, never going back, stay safe. The fuck? That's crazy. How did that happen to you? I mean, I've stayed in Delhi for a while as well, for like 5 years or so. But I've never had any नियर डेथ एक्सपीरियंस, मतलब कुछ बार थोड़ा क्रीपी वाला एक्सपीरियंस हुआ है, बहुत बार रेसिस्ट वाला क्रीपी वाला, बट द नियर डेथ वाला एक्सपीरियंस नहीं हुआ है. But still, if it did not happen to me, that does not mean that it won't happen to you guys. So stay safe whenever you go to Delhi, or like not only Delhi, anywhere. Stay safe. Please post your makeup routine on your YouTube. I will definitely. And how did you guys like my makeup today? I tried doing something new. I hope you guys liked it. Is my screen focused or unfocused? मेरे को पता नहीं चल रहा. Did you talk to Rick then? Yes, me and Ricky, we chill. Ricky is a chill guy. What's your workout split? Legs, push, pull, legs. Next hair color, no more colors abhi. Thoda break, bro. My hair needs to breathe. Please come to Rodi's. We want to see you. Oh, I wish I could. I really wanted to as well. I swear. People were saying you were looking good on your golden hair. So lovely, loving. Thank you so much. You know, I loved it as well myself, okay, and I love experimenting on myself. मैं कुछ ना कुछ करती रहती हूँ, तो I experimented with golden hair, okay, and a lot of people liked it, a lot of people did not like it, and they kept putting the things in my head ki like, Amya, you're not looking nice, this does not suit you and all that. And when you keep hearing the same thing, like you kind of like, you know, see yourself from their judgment as well, right, from their opinion. तो मेरे को भी वही हुआ. I started seeing myself from their point of view and I changed my hair color. And the hard thing about getting a bleached hair is basically थोड़ा रूट से नया कलर निकलता रहता है ना, वो भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था मेरे को, तो इसलिए चेंज करना पड़ा. Why have you changed after Splitsvilla? You don't look confident anymore, less active on Instagram. ऑनेस्टली बताऊँ ना, स्प्लिट्सविला से पहले मैं कुछ भी डालती रहती थी पोस्ट, ठीक है, मेरा ज़्यादा फॉलोअर्स नहीं था, 10K 15K था, तो तब मैं कुछ भी पोस्ट करती रहती थी. एंड देन देयर वर लाइक लेस पीपल फॉलोइंग मी, बट देन देयर वर लाइक जेन्युइन पीपल. जो भी मैं पोस्ट करती थी, पीपल यूज्ड टू एंजॉय दैट कंटेंट. अभी मैं थोड़ा ना कॉन्शियस हो जाती हूँ बिफोर पोस्टिंग एनीथिंग. माय फ्रेंड्स आल्सो कीप रिमाइंडिंग मी दैट Ameha, you have a name now, you have to make sure, like, you know, you post like something, don't post like something very stupid or something like that. तो मैं अभी थोड़ा कॉन्शियस हो गई थी पोस्ट करना, like, you know, before posting, like, is it this appropriate enough कि पोस्ट कर सकती हूँ मैं ऐसे. तो दैट्स द ओनली अदर थिंग. आई मीन, टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉन्फिडेंस, आई एम स्टिल द सेम पर्सन. इट्स जस्ट दैट मेरा क्वालिटी ऑफ कॉन्टेंट थोड़ा चेंज हो गया है. इफ यू जस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट माई इंस्टाग्राम कॉन्टेंट, ओके, अदर देन दैट आई एम स्टिल कॉन्फिडेंट एंड आई हैवंट चेंज्ड बिफोर Splitsvilla and after Splitsvilla as well. Please talk नेपाली. के भन्नु नेपालीमा. अब भिडियो बनाउँदैछु, जिन्स सुत्नु आँटेको छ मेरो हातमा, अन्त Jinx, my mic. And I am thinking, okay, in English what I do. So I hope your video हेरेको मा धन्यवाद छ. Lucky one, I'm so confused. Are you a full-time content creator? For now, yes, I am. I am a full-time content creator. Do you care about Kashish and Digvijay, like in terms of friendship? Do you follow them on Big Boss? I think I do follow them. I think Kashish ka bhi, I think it's pretty clear that she does not want to have any bad blood with Digvijay. And Digvijay ka bhi pretty clear hai that she does not want to have any connection with someone who basically crushed his dreams. तो दोनों का एक in their point of view सही है. But I think we should just move on from that thing जो भी उन लोगों का हुआ. And अगर दिग्विजय को उसका कशिश का दोस्त नहीं बनना है तो that's well and good. Kashish also should not try इतना ज़्यादा to be friends with him, and then just move on. Can you reveal some of your pic in your hometown? Sure, it'll be right here. Tuck, 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 tuck. Things to keep in mind before buying a kitten. Make sure to give them enough love. Okay, things to keep in mind before adopting a kitten. Make sure to give them a lot of love. Make sure to spend a lot of time with them. And make sure to keep a litter box ready and clean. And make sure to give them healthy food as per their diet needs. and make sure to comb their hair, brush their hair, make sure to have like enough toys for her to play with. So yeah, that's the basics. Don't let her go out. If you could turn back time, would you then would have
that you had you do.
Then would you have changed anything about Splitsvilla? Yes, I think so. I would have changed my game right from the beginning only. मतलब I should have treated the Splitsvilla as a game. जैसे मैं बहुत casually लिया Splitsvilla को, कुछ भी हो रहा है तो होने दो. मैं कभी सोचा भी नहीं था फ्यूचर का, अच्छा ये इसके साथ कनेक्शन बनाऊंगी तो ये होगा. तो I did not think in that way. तो from the starting से I lost it. गेम लाइक यू नो आई डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द गेम, कुछ प्लानिंग प्लॉटिंग नहीं था एंड देन मैं ऐसे फ्लूक में जा रही थी. तो दैट वाज माय बिग मिस्टेक एंड सिंस आई शुड हैव ट्रीटेड इट एज अ गेम एज अ रियलिटी शो, एज अ शो, गेम शो. बट मैंने नहीं किया, मैंने बस टूरिस्ट बन के गई थी वहाँ पे एंड देन टूरिस्ट बन के निकल गई. So that's I think I would have changed about Splitsvilla. So I think we have come to the end of our questions. बहुत सारे questions ऐसे बहुत repetitive है, so I'm not going to be answering them. So that's it guys. I hope you guys liked my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. बहुत सारे questions होंगे आपके दिमाग में अभी भी जो आपको चाहिए answers में about me. I would be answering them in the next upcoming videos definitely. अगर कुछ questions है आप मेरे को पूछ सकते हो in the comment section down below, or follow me on my Instagram and ask me any questions there. And in the next upcoming days I'll be posting a lot more videos and give you guys update on my life and tell you how things are going. And abhi ke liye that's all guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys soon on my next YouTube video. Bye. Jinxie, let's say bye. 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 Okay, bye guys.